Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a solution that you can use your RS485 sensor and integrate to Tuya mobile phone by this Tuya Adapter V2. This is an example RS485 temperature and humidity sensor that can work with a C85 cable for long distance. In this video, I will test these two devices by 300 meter C85 cable because every time usually we'll have our customer ask me how to use a long distance cable and work with the temperature and humidity sensor. So in this video, I will show you this RS485 temperature and humidity sensor and integrate to Tuya mobile phone application by this one so that you can make automation in Tuya and remote monitor the temperature sensor and humidity sensor data on your mobile phone by internet. Okay, let's look at how it works. Okay, now you can see this is a temperature and humidity sensor by RS485. You can see this 4 pin, this A and B for RS485, and this is power supply from 5 volt to 36 volt DC. I have connected with the 12 volt power supply. I just use this power supply, give this sensor power. And this one, you can see, I have connected with this Tuya Adapter V2, KinCony Tuya Adapter. So this have ESP32 chip, and this have Tuya module. So this device will let this device data and post to Tuya cloud server, so that we can use this Tuya mobile phone. You can see the KinCony Adapter TH. TH means temperature and humidity sensor. If I power on, I can connect with my mobile phone battery change. This 5 volt power supply. So I can get the power for this board so that you can use this immediately. So you can see if I power on at this power supply, this is power on. The red LED is on. Now I will power on for this temperature sensor. Just power on. This is for the power supply for the sensor, and this is for the adapter. And now you will see in my mobile phone that have 22 temperature and the humidity is 48%. And you can see this can click and you will see this window. And if I can change the humidity. I just use my air to change the sensor. So you can see this sensor I have integrated to the Tuya mobile phone, so that can remote monitor by internet. Because if you add this temperature sensor and humidity sensor, you can make automation just a sense mode in Tuya. You can see, for example, you can click things that the state is changed. For example, I can click this one, TH, and the humidity or the temperature. For example, the temperature is less than a value or equal a value or greater than a value. So you can change it, make a if condition. So if this condition are greater than 20 temperature, and press next, and you will see the task. We can make a relay 1 is on and off. For example, control single device and H32 Pro, and the switch 1 is on, so that you can click save and click next. So this can create a sense mode. Press save, and this is auto controlled by the temperature. So this is create automation, so that because this sensor, now you can see I can use a long distance. So this we have connect with it from 300 meters, and the max will support 1 kilometer, just 1,000 meters. So this is enough for your project to use. Okay, this is the result. How to use this Tuya mobile phone for this sensor. And now let's look at how it downloaded from the Arduino source code. Okay, let's look at my computer. And you can see it here. This is Tuya Adapter V2, and this is a sensor. Actually, you can integrate any RS485 sensor, such as some temperature sensor or water level sensor or some different sensor, just RS485, because this is Tuya adapt. You can see the Tuya adapt details in our KinCony web page. You can see that have a Tuya module and this ESP32 module, so that you can see the RS485A and B, so you can connect your own device. After you connect your own device, and you will see this is Tuya app. Just very easy, just configure Wi-Fi SSID and password by your mobile phone application. And this is Arduino source code. The Arduino source code you can see it here. That also is very easy. So you just connect your adapter to your computer. Okay, this is how to integrate RS485 temperature sensor and humidity sensor to Tuya application by the Tuya Adapt V2. And in next video, I will show you how to integrate the energy meter to Tuya mobile phone application by this Tuya Adapt V2. Okay, thanks for watching.